Rolling.
Hi! Bag read. What's in Justy's bag? This is a black fringe sling bag. Sling bag? Yes, it's sling bag. Body bag. It looks like this. It has that. And meron siyang gold something. Yeah. So, let's open it. Wow. Meron siyang healthy options. Ano pa may pie? Sino gusto from? Tissue paper. Pencil case. What's in her pencil case? Pentel pen. Highlighter and weird lanyard.
Tapos pwedeng pa-upload din sa
And she has this. She's been using this pencil case for
4 years.
ever.
pa yun to, lang
Forever.
mamaya yun doon sa batak sa basket.
And what's in her Kikay kit? Let's see. Meron siyang mga lippies, lip tint from Innisfree, lip pencil. Dami naman ito. Beautiful, Misha, beautiful. And lip pencil. Kasi yung lip tint. Hindi yan. Ang dami naman. Ang dami. Yung Tony Mooney. Okay. Another one. Okay, concealer, pang kilay, pang mascara. And she's using Revlon Photo Red. And
Pinaiwan na lang.
Radiant Concealer.
Vanilla dot
And ano to?
Hi, Mama. Hi, Gab. Hi, Nog.
Give me your tissue, baby.
Her wallet. Her passport. Pagdala mo yung passport mo. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura nila. Sa passport? Yes. Ayan. Beautiful.
Si Ma'am Annie ba nakita niyo?
Meron siyang shades. Baroque shades. Baroque shades. Look at the details. Yes.
Sabi mo magkano yan?
And this is worth 50 pesos sa Divisoria. Tama. May pahabol. Okay. And her phone that is studded with so many curly things. Anong tawag sa phone mo?
Bedazzler.
No! Anong liit ng phone mo?
It's Cosmos.
Cosmos.
It's coming. Cosmos X2.
Cosmos X2.
Sabi mo, it's coming. Kasi ganun yung
It's coming. And she has polka dotted umbrella.
Ang dami naman ng bag niya.
Ang daming naman ng bag mo.
Polka dot.
Buti ka siya.
Diyan nakalagay yung ano.
Dora's bag.
Kilala mo si ano? Estrada. Nice. And, ang tawag dito?
It's a
Grooming kit.
hygienic pouch. I call that hygienic pouch because
Hygienic pouch na powder lang tsaka yung solution ng laman. Okay. So we have that.
dapat yung ano ko eh.
And what else? Meron tayong, ano to?
Pakita mo yan, Diyos. Pakita mo.
Card holder. Sobrang dami niyang cards. So we have SM Advantage.
Jella, ano yung wala akong card?
ATM. So marami siyang cards, in short. Pero kulang pa din kasi wala siyang Tom's World card. Okay. Ano ba? Ang dami naman ng bag mo. Oo eh.
Kasha yan dyan?
Meron siyang SG. Yung ballpen. Wala na. Yun lang. Meron siyang Max. Meron pa siya. ID. Guys, ito yung ID. ID and ninakaw niya sa media kit ng Animosig. So, Sir Paul, if you're watching this, this is for you. And she has crunchy. And an empty plastic. So, that's about it. Thank you so much. If this is Justy's bag. Bye! Thank you, Nicole.